In today's video, we will talk about the title tag, or I should say meta title. This is an important tag that we have to optimize whenever we do SEO for a website. And in this video, I will tell you practically how you can change the title of a web page and why it is necessary. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we are going to talk about the title tag of our web pages. Whenever you type anything on Google, you get a lot of results. So during those results, the title that you see on the web page, we call it the title tag. For example, my keyword is digital marketing courses in Pakistan. Here are the results. All the words in blue is the title of this web page or website, like this. Next one is introduction to digital marketing. And if you can see the third one result, this is an incomplete title. Always avoid this. Always use and keep your title precise and short according to the Google algorithm. If I open this website and I put my cursor here, a window will pop up. This is the title of the website too. Here you can see. Sometimes this title and SERP results title is different, because if we are not optimizing our title by ourselves, then our browser will take a random title for us. If you want to see the source file, then just press Ctrl plus U, press Ctrl plus F and write title here. You can see the title here in the source file too. This is the title in source file. Now let's understand why it is necessary to optimize the title. Because whenever our audience types anything, suppose our website is ranking on the first page, but even on the first page from all those websites, we want that the audience clicks on our website. For this, it will be necessary to show some eye-catching results. So title plays a very important role in it, because the first thing is that it is very bold. So if we write good keywords in bold, we write good things in it, we write eye-catching or creative title, then the chances will increase that after our audience impressions, our click-through rate will increase. And one more thing I would like to tell you, this title is at the top. That's why it is necessary to optimize the title, because again a simple process of keyword prominence is applied here. The higher the keyword on the site, the higher the chances of ranking the same keyword will increase for us. Now let's talk about when you optimize the title of any web page, what things do you have to take care of, or I say how to make it SEO friendly so that our website's ranking increase. First of all, you have to take care that whatever is your primary or prominence keyword, it should come in your title. As I have already told you that we will keep the primary keyword in the URL, then we will keep it in our title. Next thing is that along with the keyword, your brand name should also come, because we don't just want short tail sales, we also want to create our brand image. Next one is that many people make the mistake that they try to put more than one keyword in the title and think that if we put two keywords, the chances of ranking will increase. No, it will not work like this. If you put two keywords, then you will have a lot of keyword stuffing. Neither Google wants this, nor this is good for the audience experience. So make sure you put just one keyword, one long tail keyword in your title. And here keep in mind that in our title we kept our keyword short and precise, whether it was a long tail keyword, but in our title we will use long tail keyword, right? Next one is, if there are some pages on your website whose titles are the same, then you have to write their titles differently. Again, as I told you, we don't want to do keyword cannibalism. Keyword cannibalism means when more than one web pages of our website is trying to rank on a particular or same keyword. Google will not accept it, never. Next one is, you have to keep some creative, catchy and direct to call action title. For example, heavy discounts on something, or add at best price, or hassle free. we can put some call to action words like this, so that our audience is very much enticed and click on our website or our web page. Now let's talk about what should be the length of our title. If I talk about characters first, then it was said that there should be 62 to 65 characters in a title, but now Google has come up with a system of the pixels. What does pixels mean? For example, like we have a one letter A and one letter is I. Then if you focus on both the letters, all the both are same, both are characters, but A is covering a lot of space and I is covering less space than it. So A will cover more pixels and I will cover less pixels. In this way, if I have a title like this, if I use I again and again, then my title will look small. But if I use A only, suppose I have used A 15 times, then my title will look big. So now we don't count characters, but we count pixels. To make my title according to the pixels, I simply use a website, to the web.com. Just go to the website, click on tools and blogs, here meta title and description test. Here you will see a bar of page title. I will paste my title here. My title is Advanced SEO Strategies 2025 Organically Marketing. You can see that I put or add an eye-catching, and this is eye-catching words, and this Organically Marketing is my brand name, and my title is perfect. And if I add some characters here, you can see this is not acceptable title, then I will just keep my title as Advanced SEO Strategies 2025 Organically Marketing, like this. If you want to see the results, you can scroll up and you can see the results as desktop and as mobile, like this. Now we will understand how you can change your title on WordPress. But before that, a soft reminder for you viewers that there is a complete course of SEO is going on. Never miss any video. For clear understanding, you will find the playlist link in the description box below. So just go to your WordPress website. Okay, WordPress website, go to your pages. Here I create a page with the name of random page. Edit. Here you will find I am using used SEO. If you are using used SEO plugin, then you will find a bar page title here. I will paste my title here, remove the last one, and this is my title. Just save and preview. You can see my website web page title is changed. And if you are using the plugin all-in-one SEO, then you can see that there is a bar next to the page, web page, like this. Just click on the pencil icon here, click it, remove the first one title, and I will just keep my title here as random page. I will change it as random page. Save and preview. Here you can see my title of the web page is again the same. This is the way you can make and change your website's title or optimize your title. Right, so in today's video we saw how you have to write the title of your web page and change it, and along with that we talked about a tool here with which you can check the pixels of your title. In the next videos we will consider many more factors, we will optimize more things, so stay tuned with Organically Marketing viewers. Make sure you don't miss a single video, and if there is any query or question, tell me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.